1981 Citroen Dyane 6. This fun little Citroen Dyane 6 is a UK home market right-hand drive example first registered on the 1st of March 1981. The Dyane was taken off the road in 2010 with a mileage of 98,000, and over 2020 and 21 it was the subject of a major restoration costing in the region of £15,000. Since completion, the Dyane has covered just over 1,000 miles and has arrived with us from Oxfordshire in delightful condition. The Citroen body shell was prepared and rebuilt by Bradford specialist Citroens, and Peak 2CV carried out the build-up and further restoration work. The car was subject to a new galvanised chassis, a new floor and bulkhead, front wings and a new retractable vinyl roof. The interior was renovated, the wheels and tyres were replaced, and mechanically it was overhauled with the engine rebuilt using new pistons. The gearbox was rebuilt by Pembro, specialist 2CV transmissions and 123 electronic ignition was fitted. The Dyane looks very period in this stunning colour of vert jade, and presents very well, having had a huge level of investment. The chassis is new, the body is exceptional, and the car is finished to a nice standard, ideal for regular use, for shows, events and summer driving. On the road it drives very well, with a fabulous engine and gearbox. This Dyane will be supplied freshly serviced and with a full new MOT, having covered very few miles over the winter months. It's a delightful example, offering exceptional value for money, and it comes with spare keys, restoration invoices, a Haynes manual and a copy of the Citroen 2CV Different is Everything book. You can find more photos and details of this car on our website. The link is in the description below.